Happy 4th of July. Please like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more Airstream Wheeler content. This week we are installing Airstream's custom mattress airflow and a new mattress from Airstream Supply. The underlayment will help with the buildup of condensation and moisture under the bed and into the mattress. So we bought the underlayment that Airstream sells. It's kind of this plasticky, scrubby stuff, and then a backer, and the backer goes towards your mattress. See that it will work, it will fit. It's not great. We'll probably have to do some trimming to get the two pieces, it comes in two pieces, to align and then put the mattress on to keep it from molding or getting mildew. The good news is that they said it would take a month for it to get here, and it arrived 2 weeks early. So, and then we taped the two pieces together. They came with like a duck brand, duct style tape, and we put across 3 pieces just to really secure it down. There's plenty of extra, came with plenty. This side seems to be cut pretty well to cover the gap. In the corner, which is clearly the trickiest of the cuts, is pretty bad. But I think we'll trim it up and we'll be good to go, and we'll put on our new Airstream mattress. So here's the mattress from Airstream. Once you open it, you can't return it for pretty obvious reasons. It's all vacuum sealed in, and I'm pretty excited about this particular upgrade. This mattress is significantly more comfortable than what we had previously, and one of the things that we've used it for a few weeks that we've noticed is that there is this lump of foam, and it's hard to see in pictures, a lump of foam sort of balling up and coming loose under my body when I'm sleeping. We reached out to Airstream Supply to talk about the delamination and the layers of the mattress, and what they said is they would talk to the factory and get back to us. They ended up reshipping our mattress and sending us a new one, and we didn't want the old one to go into the landfill. Stay tuned for what we do with that. It's going to be repurposed inside our Airstream. Here's a little preview, a little hint for what's to come. Yay!